my energy. I no get time for no enemy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you are seeing my face, welcome. I hope you subscribe and I hope you enjoy this video. So as you can see from the title of this video, this is the review of the Jackieaina / ABH palette. And you guys, I am so excited to finally purchase a palette from Anastasia. This is the first time I've ever purchased a palette from them. I've used their products before, like their dip brow, which is what I'm using right now, but I've never had an eyeshadow palette from them ever, like ever. But ever since I saw that Jackieaina was partnering up with them, I mean I just had to, like, I have to support Auntie Jackie. Like I have to. It's nothing, like it's nothing to it. I have to support her. Like, she's so bomb. I watch every one of her videos that she posts, so it's like it's meant to be. But I purchased this palette and I'm finally reviewing it today. I've had it for a while actually. I was one of the first few people to order it, and when it came in, like, it's just, I haven't had the motivation to really get up and film, but today I just told myself to get up and finally film it. But here is the beautiful palette right here. First of all, let's talk about packaging. The packaging is beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. I love this holographic thing. It's so Jackie and it's so me. Like, this is something I would just like put up as decoration. It's so nice. But yeah, let me show you guys the inside of the palette. It also came with a brush. I threw the brush somewhere over there after I finished using it. But you can see on my eyes that this is the look I came up with. Now in the video, I did not talk throughout the video. I just did my makeup using the palette. I was just gonna give you guys a review of what I thought about the palette now. So yeah, because I really didn't want the video to be too long. So anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about the palette right now. One, the palette I would say is very pigmented. The shades blended so nicely together. Was it the first shade I used was it was ginger. Yeah, it was this color right here, ginger. I used that as a transition shade. Now it looks brown on here, but once I was putting it on my eyes, it had like a hint of, I don't know if the shade changed. It looked a little purple, like a little bit brownish purple, but it did not look like the rustic brown that it looks here. So I was like, what? Like, I was a little confused. But yeah, and also the palette has fallout. Like, it had fallout when I was putting the shadows on my face. I first pressed the brush on the eyeshadows, like it was a lot of fallout, and then the fallout came out on my face. So yeah, it was a good thing I did my like my concealer and stuff afterwards, so it was okay. I ended up fixing it, but the palette do have some fallout. Now I try to do a look that I didn't really see most people using those shades. Most people are using Wigglies, Pinker. I mean, I did use Pinker, but I didn't use it as like the main shade. And Zam, Soleil, like people were using those shades, so I try to stay away from that and give you guys something a little different. So, oh, and I didn't use Big Wig, which is like the deep purple. Still looked like I used the purple, but it wasn't Big Wig, it was other shades I mixed. So yeah, I ended up using Pinker, Sponsored, Lituation, Ginger, and a little bit of Supreme. I'm so shocked that I actually didn't use Wigglies, because that was like the main attraction of the palette. But I decided to just do something a little bit different, so you guys are not watching the same videos over and over and over. But without any more talking, I'm actually out of breath right now. Let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe as well. And that's pretty much it.